Hello.
Hey.
Hey. Both look beautiful.
Thank you.
Are we nervous?
Very.
We got to shake it off.
Beautiful.
Come on.
Thank you.
I've been dying to meet you too. You don't have to be nervous because we're cooking with UCOOK. So a lot of the stuff has already been done. It's really detailed here. And we're going to make loaded lentil, orzo, and halloumi salad. All right, so it's really simple.
Yeah.
And we're just going to follow what we need to do. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to chuck our lentils that have been soaked in here. And then
What can we do, Jay?
on that side, I think we can get into that bowl. We're going to start making our dressing.
Yum. Can you can you do some lemon zest for us?
It's also like the zest and lemon acidity does wonders for food. And then also there, it calls for a sweetener of choice, which you can use some sugar, you can use some honey.
I'm loving how it smells, though.
Divine,
It smells
absolutely.
amazing.
How much of this do we need?
Have you guys ever cooked with UCOOK before?
No, we haven't.
It's cool. So it comes in a box with all the ingredients prepped for you.
Yeah.
And you can choose the recipes online. And then the box, you choose, let's say, 3 to 4 recipes for the week, and it gets sent to your house.
Which makes life so much easier.
Yeah.
Somebody else has to think about what to cook.
Grab some of these marrows and get them into the pan, and we're going to do the same. Just get some color on those.
okay.
I think we must decide on the halloumi.
But do you need it chunky or just cubes?
I'm not going to say. I think you should
Okay.
make up your minds and go with your heart.
You cooking.
Yeah. we are exactly you cooking.
You can never have enough
All right.
halloumi. Right?
What's your favorite thing about food?
It brings people together.
That's so true. And you guys can gently chop that up.
It's teamwork.
Yes, that's it.
Oh, listen to that.
I like the sound of that.
I've got a 10-minute timer, and I'm going in with the orzo. I think the way
They're amazing.
to check is just to
That's
see if
gonna
there's
be
a bit
enough?
of a bite on those lentils. Okay, we're happy here, guys.
Yes.
Yeah?
Can
Very
I get that onto a towel just to drain that?
Nice.
I think what you can do to that halloumi is you can cut that lemon in half.
Yeah.
And give it a nice squeeze.
Okay, over the halloumi.
And then sprinkle a little bit of salt and then give it a taste just to make sure that it's okay.
I
Yeah.
don't know
Exactly.
if you do this as well to your lemons
Yes.
before squeezing. That's just my little kitchen
I
hack.
just redid my kitchen and I'm loving it.
I'm going to try a piece.
So good.
Gonna try a piece.
So simple.
No, so when I cook, I don't taste, eh?
That is not good.
Why? I trust myself.
You must taste.
No, I trust myself.
I don't trust the cook that doesn't taste.
No.
Through UCOOK, you're being given an opportunity to try some new recipes, like well thought out recipes that definitely work, that
Yeah.
taste good, that are not hard to do.
Yes.
Plate number 1.
Plate number 2,
Plate number 2.
plate number 3,
Number 3.
plate number 4. Can we just give ourselves a round of applause?
Yes.
This looks great. I think both your plates are stunning.
Oh, guys,
You
well
guys
done.
did
This
an
is
amazing
such
thing.
a vibe, man.
I think I'm gonna stay vegetarian.
Yeah, that's a great one.
The dressing is
Divine.
lovely.
I wonder who made the dressing.
Oh, we did a fantastic job.
Who said salad has to be boring, hey?
Boom, drops mic.
Thank you to you, Cook. Absolutely amazing.
Thank you to Nedbank. Wow, what a vibe.
Beautiful.
You actually take us back to that moment where you were walking into the house and you were like, you hadn't seen us yet,
Yeah.
and now we're gonna cook together. What was going through your mind at that time?
I want you to run away.
What have I signed up for?
What did you guys take from your experience with us yesterday and all those meals we made?
Definitely, I got new meaning for lentils. Being Indian, we prepare lentils very differently, and to have it in a salad yesterday, definitely a thumbs up and change in the household for me.
I saw your guys' faces when we said, we're making a salad. And you were like, okay, a salad, really? That wasn't just another salad. Right?
Yeah. Not at all.
Yeah.
It took it to another level.
Yeah.
You were a bit competitive yesterday. I was like, ooh.
It's always in the kitchen.
No, it was the most amazing experience, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity. I got to meet great people. I got to be introduced to UCOOK, something I never knew existed, and I'm so excited to share with everybody. It's not about just banking. This is something that's connecting people.
it's a campaign, but I think at the heart of it all, it's really them just trying to create cool experiences for us to live that we can never forget.